Welcome to Susie's Secret Recipes. My name is Susie Hyde, and I grew up on a farm in Washington, Oklahoma. My parents taught us kids, number one, to keep Jesus in our heart. Number two, just to keep things country simple and enjoy the simple things in life. And so I've had a wonderful childhood, and I brought everything that I've learned from home and brought it into my household. And so I hope that you enjoy my channel, and I look forward to sharing with you some of the things that I enjoy. And so sit back and let's keep it country simple. Okay.
Okay, on YouTube I seen this recipe and it's called 2-ingredient pineapple angel food cake, and I thought we've got to try this. I love angel food, love pineapple, so we're going to give it a try and see what we come up with. You use a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, juice and all. You put that in your bowl. And then just a regular angel food cake mix. This one happens to be Betty Crocker. You put that in. And then they said, mix it for 30 seconds just to get it incorporated a little. Then scrape down the sides. Then mix for a couple of minutes, and she says it'll be real fluffy. Looks good to me. Now we'll scrape down the beater. Okay. And then you put it in a ungreased bundt pan. Try to divide it evenly around the bowl. Then you bake it in a preheated oven, 350 degrees, for 40 to 45 minutes. And she says you must let it get really dark brown. You think it's going to burn, otherwise the insides will not be done. This is the finished product. Looks good. Let's see what the real test is. Let's taste it. You need a serrated knife to cut it with, just like an angel food cake. And then let's see what, well, looks just like angel food.
It's pretty. You can see the pineapple for sure.
It's not as light and fluffy as angel food, but it's good. It's a keeper.
Richard, Jonathan, Shelby, Riker, and I decided to go to the Ardbeckle Wilderness. It's located here in Oklahoma. And it's a park that you can actually drive through and feed the animals. And they will come up to your vehicle, and they give you feed as you go through the entry gate to feed the animals. And so a lot of it's farm animals, which we're around every day, but there are some exotic animals there too. And so we had a really, really, really good time, and it's always good to get out and spend time with family. And so I videoed just a little bit of it. It was kind of hard inside the vehicle to film all the animals going around and going to each window, so it was a little difficult, but I did manage to get some of it, so I wanted to share it with you.
The size of that pan.
Here, I'll help you. Hold it out. Let him finish his bite.
It was acting like it was.
Yeah, it's picking up the crumbs right now.
It's so gargantuan.
Did you hear that go bonk? I heard it too. It went somewhere. I don't think it went out. Whoop! That did it again. He wanting some more?
What you want? That is back to out.
There you go. Can you reach it? Can you do it? No, you hit him on the nose. You want to help me? Hold it. Woo! Yummy.
Oh.
He is so big.
Yeah, what?
Look at me.
I am looking at you. Cheese.
Cheesy dog.
So guys, if you enjoyed the video today, then click the like button, give me a thumbs up, put it in the comments. I enjoy reading all the comments, and thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed, then please do so by clicking the subscribe button below and click the notification bell, and it will notify you when I'm going to have another video. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and may God bless you, and happy trails.